Welcome to the cutting edge of technology. Semiconductor factories are the birthplace of the chips that power our world, from our mobile phones to automobiles and everything in between. But throughout the process of making these chips, workers face a host of chemical threats. The production of semiconductors involves a cocktail of hazardous substances. Hydrofluoric acid, sulfuric acid, and solvents like acetone are just a few of the dangerous caustics workers handle daily. These chemicals can cause severe burns, respiratory issues, and long-term health problems. In the event of a chemical spill, every second counts. That's where safety showers come in. The Hughes cubicle safety shower with ABS closed bowl eye wash is a lifesaver in these high-tech environments. It provides a minimum flow rate of 76 liters per minute, activates within 1 second, and creates a safe decontamination zone. This is your first line of defense against chemical hazards, meeting strict EN and ANSI standards. With over 15 minutes of continuous flow, it gives workers the time they need to thoroughly decontaminate themselves of dangerous substances. Activation is quick and easy by using the internal push-down handle. The integral eye wash also provides an aerated flow of water for a casualty where chemicals have splashed into their eyes. Left untreated, this could cause severe retinal damage, even possibly resulting in blindness. The eye wash is simple to activate using the pull-down manifold. The user can then hold open their eyes in the water arch for at least 15 minutes. For over 55 years, Hughes safety showers have been at the forefront of workplace safety. Our range of equipment is designed to meet the unique challenges of industries like semiconductor manufacturing. In the high-stakes world of semiconductor production, Hughes safety showers are the engineering experts for your safety solutions. When it comes to worker safety, we don't just meet standards, we exceed them. Hughes safety showers, protecting your most valuable asset, your workforce.